There's coming a day when all of the saved will live with Jesus for eternity. We'll see his face who saved us by his grace. It's a gift, not of works, it is free. On our heads we will wear a crown of life we will bear. Till at Jesus' feet we throw them down. Well, each crown size will be determined by the works that we're doing right now. And at that time we will step up to the line, throw our crowns into the sea of glass. The splash that occurs will show others about our works. So this is the question I ask. Well, how big a splash will your crown make when it falls into the glassy sea? Get busy now, and when you throw it out, you may rock heaven for eternity. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some people's crowns are gonna be so light, they'll have to tie it down just to keep it on tight. And when the time comes around to jump that crown, it's gonna skip right across to the other side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just wanna be there, I just wanna be there when Peter, James, and John go down, to feel the quake and see the tidal wave from the splash when they throw their crown. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some people's crowns are gonna be so light, they tie a string around and use it for a spiritual kite. But if you seek, never quit, pick yourself up when you slip. They'll use yours as an anchor for the old gospel ship. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just wanna be there, I just wanna be there when Peter, James, and John go down, to feel the quake and see the tidal wave from the splash when they throw their crown. Well, how big a splash will your crown make when it falls into the glassy sea? Get busy now, and when you throw it out, you may rock heaven for eternity. You may rock heaven for eternity. You may rock heaven for eternity. Whoa, yes.